should you buy the Insta360 X3 sticky lens guards? If you've decided on the X3 already, you can add the lens guards to your cart in the Insta360 store for an extra $20 by following the link below. But do you really need them? They attach to the camera pretty easily. I would recommend cleaning the lens before you do this, and the guards already come with adhesives attached, so all you got to do is put them in place. These things are not going to come off easily. In the box you'll find 4 backup adhesives if you need to replace yours in the future. With gentle use you shouldn't be able to notice the guards much in your shots. However, when shaking the camera around wildly like I did here, they will become very prominent. This may or may not be fixed in a future firmware update. When stitching, you'll want to make sure the lens guard option is selected in both the mobile app and the desktop software. In terms of the actual quality, it's pretty good. It seems to be a hard plastic, so if you did drop your camera, it will for sure absorb the shock and protect your lens. Now, these are not a substitute for the underwater housing for this camera, so if you are shooting in the water, you still will need to get the dive case to get proper stitching of your 360 footage. And removing them is pretty easy. You just use this guitar pick thing that they include in the box, and it shouldn't mark the camera too badly. I wouldn't advise changing them on and off frequently since they really are stuck on there very strongly. So, should you get them? Well, I'd say it's not an essential purchase. If you're a careful person like me, I guard my cameras with my life. So if you're pretty careful and don't do anything dangerous, then you don't need them. But I would say that having them gives you the freedom to try riskier shots. Like this shot here, I threw my camera about 10 meters in the air and I caught it with no stress because I knew the lens guards would save the lens if it were to smash. And for a lot of you that do extreme sports, they will give you that extra peace of mind that you can take a bit of risk with your camera and the most fragile part of the camera body is protected, because if the screen smashes, you can still use the camera through your phone. But if either lens smashes, it's bye-bye 360 camera, and they would only need to save you once for the $20 to be worth it. Again, I'll link the lens guards down below. So now that you've got yourself an X3, my guess is you want to get as good of a result as you can with both your photos and videos. Which is why you want to check out this video here to learn every single setting of this camera, because there's some big things you'll need to set up front in order to not mess up your 360 photos and videos.